Hi everyone, welcome to the Move Challenge with Arundathi. So today we're going to do it in the hall. Again, something very familiar. I still don't have my yoga mat, right? Just do with whatever you want. That's what I want to inspire you, right? Whatever you have, sorry, wherever you can. Alright, let's bring our feet apart, hands apart. Let's deep breathe. Big inhale. And exhale. Big inhale through your nostril. And exhale. Last one, big and purposeful breath. Big inhale. And exhale. Great job. I invite you to join me in saying these positive affirmations, or you can design your own. I am strong. I am calm. I am loving. I am brave. I am healthy. I am happy. Feel those sinking deep into yourself. Great. Tilt your chin towards your chest with a few gentle blinks. Open your eyes. Great. Let's mobilize our necks. So you're going to bring your chin towards your chest and roll it to your right, nice and slow. Apologize about any noise disturbance. Let's do it to the other side. That's it. One last one to your right. And now to your left. Great job. All right. You're going to cross your forearms in front of you. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Imagine you're brave. Exhale. Go with the breath. Inhale while we are relaxing and working out our shoulders, our arms, our forearms, elbows, absolutely everything. Alright, done. Now let's mobilize our waist. So rotate to your right. That's it. And rotate to our left. So while we're doing this, it's also really good to bring awareness to our digestive system, right? So you're kind of getting the juices flowing also, right? Alright, we're going to mobilize our knees and ankles. So you're going to bend your knees up, down, and you're going to rotate your ankles to your right. In case the ankle is not that clear in the video, it's just like that. Yeah, and now to your left. So that movement is really good for your blood flow, right? Let's mobilize our left leg, knee, up, down, up, down. So these joint mobilizations are also really good to prevent no ankles, arthritis, joint trouble, injury also. So even though these are very small, now to the opposite direction, movements, it actually prevents you from getting injury, or if you do get injury, you heal faster. All right, so we're gonna bring our feet together and hands together on your left side. Move your right foot to your right side. Inhale, hands up. We're gonna do the triangle today. Push your left hip to your left side. Surfboard to your right. Inhale, exhale. Right palm towards our right calf muscle or knee, and left hand extended over your left shoulder. And you'll be gazing upward towards your left palm. While you're here, you're gonna breathe normally. So the reason for this pose is again really good for digestion, right? And anxiety. So it's a plus. Also, when we hold it for longer, it's good for losing weight also, right? So as we progress through the series, I'm sure you will see a difference. Remember to breathe normally, and also it helps you tone your legs. Inhale up. What do? We're going to repeat it to our left. So push your right hip to your right side. Surfboard to your left. Exhale. Left palm towards your left shin or knee. Gaze towards your right palm as you raise your right hand over your right shoulder. Breathe normally while you're there. Feel that nice stretch on your right side. And pick one point, either your middle finger in the right hand or one point on the ceiling, or just fixate your gaze in one point. And think about the benefits. And if you feel like your knees are going a little lazy, tighten your knees and grip through the floor through your toes. With yoga, we have to employ absolutely every part of our body. So mind, your body, your breath. Calm your breath if you feel like it's rapid breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale, hands down. Bend your right knee. Meet yourself at the right. Hands apart, feet apart. Big, nice breath in. Big inhale. And exhale. Big inhale. And exhale. Great job. Let's do one more, right? So you're going to place your feet in a V shape. Push your pelvis in front, bend forward. Push your pelvis in front, bend forward. And now last one, let me move this side. So you're going to push your pelvis in front, right? Hands slide over. Inhale, exhale, stop at 90. And we're going to stay here today. Just stay here, feel that nice stretch on your back. Extend your fingers. If you want, you can kind of bend one right knee, the left knee. Right knee, left knee, feel that nice stretch on your tailbone. Inhale, up, up, up. Bend backward. Exhale, hands heart at the heart center. Hands apart, feet apart. Let's take a big, purposeful breath in. Big inhale. And exhale. Big inhale. And exhale. One last big inhale. And exhale. Let's connect back with those positive affirmations that we said in the beginning. Tell yourself that you are brave, you are strong, you are safe. You have all the energy that you need to meet today. And if it is at the end of the day, remember that you did absolutely everything that you possibly can. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Good job. See you tomorrow. Bye.